Bad boys break all the rules and get girls with ease, while nice guys do everything to please a girl only to get ignored, rejected, or put in the friend zone. You see, there is nothing more disgusting to a woman than a man that acts too nice. It comes across as insincere and weak. The nice guy will wait and wait for a chance to share the bed with a girl, but they don't know that she is too busy fantasizing and drooling over the bad boy type. If you want to get girls, you need to know when to stop being nice and what rules to break. In this video, we will discuss 9 rules that bad boys break all the time. 1. Asking for permission. In the modern world, you will find people saying you should always ask a girl for consent. They tell you to ask if you can touch or kiss them. It's wonderful advice if you are a nerd or a simp. But bad boys don't take this advice serious. They break the rules completely and women love it. You see, the best men simply take what they want out of life. It doesn't matter if it's money, power, respect, or a girl. They set their eyes on the prize and take it without asking for permission like a beta male. Do not misunderstand it. I'm not saying you should rob a bank or force a girl to come with you. But asking for permission isn't the way to go about it either. Bad boys know how to read the room. They take what they want. And if what they want is not an option, they leave and find it somewhere else. One way or another, they get what they want out of life because they don't ask or beg for it. This energy is wildly attractive to women because it displays dominance and self-assurance. 2. Hiding unusual traits. We all have some unique and unusual traits, but most guys hide it from females. They hide their authentic selves because they fear losing the girl. Prophetic. One should never apologize or feel ashamed for being yourself. A real man is himself, whether people like it or not. Even if he has an unusual trait like drawing, acting, or reading manga. It doesn't matter if girls look at you funny or don't understand what you're into. They will respect and love you for being yourself instead of acting like an NPC with zero personality. Now, this is not an excuse to scroll on TikTok, be a dork, or waste your time while being lazy. There is a big difference between having unique traits and being addicted to things like everyone else. 3. Zero tolerance. Nice guys will ignore red flags and bad behavior from women because they are extremely desperate. But the bad boy type does not tolerate bad behavior. In fact, he has zero tolerance for childish games and red flags. It doesn't matter how beautiful and attractive a woman is. She's still human, and not all humans are compatible with each other. If you start tolerating everything, even things that go against your morals and your virtues, you're going to mess things up. Sure, you may get the girl if you do this, but after the honeymoon period runs out, you're going to hate yourself for doing this. You'll be stuck with a woman that you despise. So don't be a simp and let her go as she blows her chance. 4. Putting women on a pedestal. A lot of modern men put women on a pedestal and treat her like a queen. The Disney movies have taught them that this is what they should do. However, she has 10, if not hundreds of guys that make her feel the same way. The truth is that women have an abundance of attention and affection thrown at her from every direction. You are not doing anything special by sipping for her. Leave that to the other guys. The moment you start to treat her as a normal human being is when you're going to show yourself to be different from all the other guys. And if you want to take it a step further, put yourself on a pedestal instead of her. That is what the bad boy type of guys do. They value themselves over any girl. It may sound self-absorbed, and it probably is. But it's better to put yourself on a pedestal than to put another human being there. And it even attracts women because it displays high levels of self-confidence. 5. Playing it safe. 95% of men in the world don't take enough risks. They are taught to play it safe ever since their childhood. That is why you will see them being stuck in the rat race for decades, even though their job makes them miserable. They have been so conditioned to play it safe that they'll rather live and die miserable than to take a risk. Not only do these men waste their potential, but it's also a big turn-off for women. There is nothing exciting about a man that's afraid to take a risk. A man that's afraid of losing is not only a coward, but he is also a boring man. Bad boys roll the dice. These men take risks in life and have the faith in themselves that if it doesn't go well, they will still be able to recover. They do what they want and don't think twice about it. ACT first and ask questions later. Reckless perhaps, but it's impressive and attractive nonetheless. 6. Escape a boring reality. A bad boy offers a break from the expected mundane everyday life. The journey with a bad boy can offer the adventure and excitement that many women crave. They live life on the edge, offering some women an adrenaline rush. They do things that other people wouldn't do and are always looking for new ways to push the boundaries. Hard to get. 7 is hard to get. Many women know what it's like to be desired and pursued by various men. It can be incredibly alluring when a woman finds someone who doesn't give her the time of a day. Bad boys do just that. They don't play by the rules in their hearts to pin down. 8. Passion. Bad boys do what they do with passion, which can be contagious. They seem to always have a burning reason for their actions or the way live life. There's always an interesting story behind the man, which makes him even more desirable. To some, they do what they want and don't think twice about it. 9. They got themselves. Bad boys need no maintenance. They take care of themselves, and they don't really want people to do things for them. For many women, this is a relief from the pressure of having to do everything in a relationship, especially women used to being in control of a partnership. A lot of women are used to bossing their man around. They tell them to stop playing video games and that they should get a job, but real men don't need a mommy to babysit them. They buy their own things and deal with their own problems without any complaints. So this is for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Thank you for watching.